Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the IPSY September Plus Good Vibes for the year 2020. So if you have any interest in unboxings, please stay tuned and keep on watching. This is what it came with. So let's go ahead and get on to the what I received. So the first item that I pulled out of my bag is the LARUCE brush set, and I believe this is called the Essential Brush Set, and this is one of the items that I picked, and I will insert a picture of the choices that I had, but out of all the choices, I believe this was the one that I thought was the best and that I would get the most use out of. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes with 5 brushes. I believe it comes with the angle contour brush. Then you get a kabuki brush, a shadow brush, a tapered blending brush, and a flat foundation brush. So for these 5 brushes on the IPSY app, it tells me that it retails for $154 right there. So when I went on their website just to double check to make sure that was the real price. I took all the 5 brushes, what they retail for, and it did add them up, and it did add up to the price that they are saying on the app, because I know a lot of people were like, $154, that's a lot of money. So I looked it up, and it is true, it is worth $154. So that's pretty nice to have a kind of nice brush set that I can use. So that was my first item, and that's one of the items I chose. And then moving on, the other items that came out of my bag was this STARSKIN set of 2 masks. So I will pull them out. So it is a set of 2. So the first one you get is the STARSKIN Close-Up Firming Face Mask. This is what that looks like. And that's just a regular sheet mask. The next one is the STARSKIN Foaming Peeling Puff. So I believe you get multiple packets in here, and you just squeeze them out and it gives you like a little puff. Let's see, like a little pad that you can exfoliate, and I believe you can use this up to 3 times, which is quite cool. And looking on the app, this set of 2 sheet masks retails for $17.25. And I did look that up, and it was true, the same price as they're saying on the website. So that is for my second item that I received. Now let's get into what came in my bag. I really think they did a great job for this month. I really like the corduroy burgundy. I think that's a very prepping for the fall that is coming up. So let's see what I got inside. So the first product that I am pulling out is the Go-To Fancy Face Nourishing Skin Oil. That's what that looks like. And I believe this is just kind of an oil cleanser. And I believe this brand, I have not heard of it, but I believe it is from Australia. So that's quite cool. We get brands from all over the world. So this says this has a retail of $34. And I did go check that on the website, and that is true as well. So that is my third item, and this was one of the items IPSY chose for me. So the next item that I will be pulling out is the Item Beauty Cheek Money Swipe and Glow Bronzer Duo. So this is what that looks like. And this is a choice item I picked, and I will be also inserting a picture of what my choice options were. So this is the item that I went with, and that's go ahead and open this up. It's very satisfying packaging. So that comes off like that, and you can just pop it. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like, and let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh. So here is what the shades both look like. I think this is going to go very nice for my skin tone, and I do believe they also had another choice of color if you are a darker complexion, and I think that is very cool that they included 2 shades so it's more universal for everybody. So that is the 4th item I got in my bag. And then the 5th item that I also chose is the SOAPBOX Hair Mist Coconut Spray. And I will also be inserting a photo of the other choices I had, but I believe I went with this one because I thought I would get the most use out of. And so the bronzer had a retail value of $18. And then the SOAPBOX Hair Mist retails for $13, which is really affordable for a hair mist. Oh, that's cool. So and then the last item, I redeemed this for my points last month. It is the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Coconut Spray, which when you do, I also, for the options that I had with this product in it, it actually gave me the option to choose this as well, but since I already redeemed my points for it, I went ahead and got the hair mist. So this is what the bag looked like. Very cute, very fall, and I know people have mixed reviews on the drawstring, but I think it's something different than a makeup bag, and I think I'll get use out of it, especially when traveling. You can keep your stuff all grouped together. So in all, I got the SOAPBOX Coconut Hair Mist. I got the Item Beauty Bronzer. I got the Go-To Skin Fancy Face Cleanser. I got the STARSKIN duo of the kind of skincare masks. Then my last item was the LARUCE The Essentials Brush Set. So for all those items, I paid $25. And I did add up the whole value of my bag. Let me go ahead and pull that up. So when doing the math, it looks like I paid $25 for my box, and the total retail value was $241.06, which I think that's a great value for just paying $25. Even though like the brush set, it was $150. Like it's kind of hard to like compare it to that, but they seem like very nice quality brushes, and I think they'll last long, and it's nice because I would probably never on my own spend $150 on a brush set. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the month of September. I have seen the spoilers for October, and I think they are decent, and I'm just excited to see what they will be offering for next month. And I will also be getting my IPSY regular bag, then also my Glam bag ultimate. I just subscribed to that subscription, so I'm excited to see what items I get when they get here. So if you are interested in any more unboxings, just make sure to like this video and subscribe so you can see my other unboxings once they arrive in the mail. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye guys.